Lanny Hoover is principal of Masterpiece Builders LLC, a company that has mainly operated as a luxury home design and construction business. Lanny outlines his responsibilities with fine precision, mandating company-wide use of only the highest standard of materials. Lanny specializes in supervising all projects from start to finish. Mr. Hoover holds extensive experience as a project manager for such companies as Robert L. Byrd Development and Dugali Oberfeld Incorporated. For more information, visit our website or call us at 877-413-2126.